Okay guys, so my muscle up has really improved since the last time I tried, and I've discovered some techniques. Guys, you need to watch this. It's not even about, you don't need your, it's not about strength. If you want to get your first muscle up, get this in your head. It's not about strength, bro. There is a technique to this thing. There is a process you need to follow. Okay, so I'm going to give it all out to you. I'm not going to make this video long. I hate watching long videos, so I'm going to get right straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to master how you hold the pull-up bar. Okay, for me, this is how comfortable I am, by holding the bar with my thumb meeting my other fingers. Okay, this is how I love to hold the pull-up bar. Now, at first I thought it's the correct way or the only way to hold the bar, but I've seen videos of people doing clean muscle ups while holding the bar like this. You know, while holding the bar like this. So I'm not going to force how I do it on you, but one thing I'm going to tell you: however you hold the pull-up bar, make sure your knuckles are not facing you. If your knuckles are facing you, then you are using this part of your hand to hold the bar. Make sure your knuckles are looking up to God. Okay, make sure your knuckles are looking up to God. That's the right way. I'll show you like this. Okay, see, like that. Okay, that's step one. Now step two is, once you're holding on to the pull-up bar, you have to swing back, you have to swing forward and back. Okay, in a playful way. You know, I'll show you like this. Okay, now right now the way I'm holding the bar is not the correct way, and I was even feeling the whole weight of my body here. That's why you have to make sure you, at least this side of your palm, is on the bar. All right, okay, you swing forward, you swing back, swing forward, you swing back. And whilst you're doing that, in your mind you're looking for a perfect time to move your knees up, you know, like you're trying to get over the bar, like that. Okay, so I'll show you. Even though I can do muscle up right now, but for me to get the momentum to move my body up, I have to go back and then throw myself on the bar, okay, you swing and then, okay, so what are the steps? Step one is how you hold the pull-up bar. You can hold it like this, you can hold it like this, but however way you hold the pull-up bar, make sure your knuckles are facing God, not you. Okay, make sure your knuckles are facing up. Okay, you can hold it like this. I've never tried this, you know, I don't want to overwhelm myself by trying different styles, different variations. I want to get it right, and then, you know, I can add my own style to it. So for now, for me, this is how I hold the bar, and holding the bar like this has also improved my pull-ups a lot. Okay, my pull-ups have improved a lot, and I'm getting massive results from it. Okay, I'm getting a lot of, my lats are growing. Okay, so yeah, what are the steps? Step one is how you hold the pull-up bar. Make sure your knuckles are facing up. Okay, and then step two, make sure you swing, and when you're swinging, relax your body. Don't be stiff and don't overthink it. You swing back and forth, and then during one of those swing, you master the courage to up your knees, to move your knees up. Okay, and once you're doing that, for me, whenever I move my knees up, my arms automatically, how do I put it? How do I say this? It's almost like a reflex. You know, it's almost like a reflex. I don't even think of my arms. They just go. They just go with my knees, because in my mind I want to get on top of the bar, so my hands are ready. That's why you don't hold the pull-up bar like this, you hold it like this, because at the top your knuckles are going to face this way. Okay, so you have to get it in position, in ready mode, ready to go mode. Okay, so what is step one? This is step one. Oh no, step one is holding the pull-up bar. Okay, step one is this is step one. Okay, this is step one. Step two, okay, swing. Okay, then you go, and then you go. Okay, it's that easy. It's that easy. You know, it's easy, but it's not going to come easy. You have to practice. You know, and some of you cannot even do pull-ups, so this whole process is going to sound very difficult. The journey is going to be long and frustrating, but no matter what, don't quit. It's a process to it. You just have to follow the process, and until you master each process, you're not going to be able to move to the next, or it's going to be difficult. Okay, so step one, I'm going over for the last time. You hold the pull-up bar. Hold the pull-up bar with your knuckles facing up. Okay.